On the 18th of May, you are required to make a choice on the kind of Tshwane that you want to build. Let me tell you why you must vote for the ANC. Tshwane is a unique position in that it's the most cosmopolitan of all the municipalities in the whole country. With the merger of Metsweding post the elections, we are going to create an entity that is the third largest municipality in the whole world by landmass, after New York and Tokyo. This position is going to allow us to broaden our revenue base, diversify our revenue base. The issues around minerals beneficiation, ecotourism, urban agriculture suddenly becomes a possibility in the new Tshwane that we are creating. It is our intention to ensure that we are able to exploit these opportunities by engaging with the social actors, primarily the business sector, to ensure that we grow our economy, and indeed we are able to create 375,000 jobs in the next 5 years. This objective is intended to address the socially and economically distressed parts of our city, to ensure that there's better livelihoods and there's decent work for those people. We are going to attain this as the city of Tshwane by ensuring that we run a clean administration that is anchored on good corporate governance and the diligent management of our fiscus. The Moody's credit rating that upgraded our position from unstable to stable makes it possible for us to raise money cheaper in the capital market, and this money will be used to fund not consumption expenditure, but will be invested in areas that are going to ensure that we are able to grow the economy and be able to create employment going forward. We are going to ensure going forward that we are running the city as a business, and our returns are not measured in terms of money in the bank. Our returns are not measured in terms of dividends declared, but our performance is measured in terms of the extent to which we are able to stretch the resource envelope to optimize service delivery and ensure that we improve the quality of lives of our people going forward. Part of this business philosophy is to ensure that we are able to maintain and protect the assets in the developed areas, ensure that we do the simple things right, patch the potholes, make sure that the street light works, make sure that the traffic light works, make sure that the road markings are visible. And in this way, we'll continue to give reasons to the developed areas to pay for their services. And part of the surplus from the payment of these services will be deployed in the economically distressed areas to create new assets that will improve the quality of lives of people in these areas. We do accept, as the political leadership of the city and the leadership of the ANC, that crime is a major social problem. And for that reason, it is our intention to ensure that each and every ward of the 105 wards in the city of Tshwane has a dedicated team of 10 metropolis officers to work with the ward councillor, the ward committee, and all organized formations in the ward to attend to the peculiarities of crime in that particular ward. And it is for that reason that our crime fighting strategy will be ward-based. Tshwane, being the most youthful of all the municipalities in the country, will ensure that many of our programs are biased towards ensuring that we upskill the young people, we ensure that we address the social problems that are afflicting young people, and we are ultimately able to ensure that we are able to mainstream them into the economy of this city. Fellow citizens, that's why we need you in your diversity to ensure that you are part of this agenda, to ensure that we construct and build a better Tshwane, a non-racial, non-sexist, united, democratic, and prosperous city. And indeed, we become a template for development for all municipalities in the country. And you should be a partner in building a better Tshwane. And I'm sure that together we can be able to build a better Tshwane going forward. You are part of the solution. We need you. Please vote the ANC on the 18th of May.